Starting around 19 October 2023, Star Atlas DAO for the most part is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely critical. Polis sort of has a genuinely complete market cap of $18,719,822, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. This generally makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, exceptionally positioning at 586 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO basically be truly worth in 2023, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Star Atlas DAO a genuinely wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Polis cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high, which really is genuinely critical? These really are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be 12 cents in an especially enormous manner. Besides, Polis can especially arrive at a very most extreme value level of 13 cents. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is in every practical sense anticipated to all things considered reach at a really least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, showing how besides Polis can in a real sense arrive at a very greatest value level of 13 cents. Which by and large is genuinely huge. The Polis cost could generally arrive at a really greatest worth of 11 cents, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost fundamentally is supposed to basically reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023. While the by and large normal cost of Polis for the September certainly remains around 11 cents Star Atlas DAO value figure October 2023, the normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could especially go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023 in a sort of enormous manner. Polis could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of 12 cents with the truly least expected cost of 11 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Polis value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO sort of is supposed to truly arrive at a truly least value worth of 11 cents, showing how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO truly be truly worth in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. The Polis cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of 12 cents, with the really normal cost around 12 cents, showing how Polis value figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO sort of is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a kind of least value worth of 11 cents. Exhibiting how on the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO basically be worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Star Atlas DAO value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to in a real sense be at around a truly least of 12 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Star Atlas DAO cost can essentially arrive at a sort of limit of 13 cents, with the especially normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost generally has shown in every way that really matters, great increment of 2.58% as of now, or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas DAO generally is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in an essentially significant manner. The Polis fundamentally is down to nearly 2.19% in the essentially most recent 7 days, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for essentially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could fundamentally major areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't really feel that it would a productive resource in genuinely momentary in an unpretentious manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis in a real sense diminished by 51.641%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of 13 cents from its exceptionally current worth in a quite huge manner. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a very decent truly purchase an open door for sort of speedy venture, showing how Star Atlas Dow value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas Dow certainly is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense reach at an essentially least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, exhibiting how additionally Polis can arrive at a very greatest value level of 13 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas Dow value figure 2023 facts. What will especially be Star Atlas Dow fundamentally worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Polis cost generally is estimated to generally arrive at a truly greatest degree of 13 cents, with kind of least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting that Star Atlas Dow value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas Dow truly is supposed to truly be at around a for the most part least of 12 cents, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star's Atlas Dow have a future in an unpretentious manner. As far as value, Star Atlas Dow basically has a remarkable really potential to sort of arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner. It truly is conjecture that Polis will increment in esteem, showing that Star Atlas Dow value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas Dow generally is certainly anticipated to by and large reach at least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, exhibiting how besides Polis can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of 13 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. As indicated by fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Star Atlas Dow can basically raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $0.024 till 2030, which in a real sense is very huge. Is Star Atlas Dow by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they especially thought? Star Atlas Dow's incentive generally is supposed to for the most part keep on extending, as lack will in generally empower cost rise, exhibiting how Star Atlas Dow, Polis, value expectation 2023 as per the Star Atlas Dow conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Polis value sort of is supposed to essentially cross a kind of normal value level of 12 cents. The normal certainly least value worth of Star Atlas Dow toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to